Wednesday morning, and one of the things that I've neglected to do is to get my boat really prepped for the winter, which there's not a lot to do, but I do need to take the sails off and kind of get things tucked away for the wintertime, and I just haven't gotten that done yet. It's supposed to warm up into the 50s today, so I thought today is a great day to do it. The sun is also going to be shining, so I'm going to go over and get that done. So apparently they're doing a parking lot seal and restripe today, so I can't park down here where I usually do, but here's a look. Awesome looking parking lot. Marina looks good. We're gonna go and see if we can get the boat ready for the winter time, pull the sails off, and nice day though, beautiful. Weather's gorgeous. It's gonna be 57 today. You don't get too many of those days in November and December, so gotta take advantage of it. Get out and breathe that fresh air. Well, it's certainly not perfect, but that'll do pretty well for this winter. I'm going to leave the foresail on there. Most of the time I'll take that off, but this year I'm going to leave it on over the winter. I have left the boat in the water some years in the past. A lot of times I pull it out as well. This year I'm going to leave it in the water as well. Just kind of ran out of time, but it's fine. Lots of boats in the water over here through the winter, and they do put out bubblers in the water to keep the water from freezing. So the water doesn't freeze here at the marina, and that's a lot easier on the boats. So anyway, it's a nice little marina, lots of little sailboats. Maybe we'll show you some B-roll of it. Well, it was good to get that finished. That didn't take quite as long as I thought, but it takes longer to drive over a lot of times than it does to get the actual work done. It's like about an hour and a half, hour and 15, hour and a half for me to get over here to the boat. But there is something about being around a marina. I don't know if you've spent any time around boat marinas before, but there's something relaxing about just being around water and boats and stuff like that. I can't explain it. Maybe I'm just afflicted with the sickness, but sometimes the boat is more of a hassle, but the few times I use it, then I usually have some appreciation. So several times it's crossed my mind to get rid of the boat. We really don't use it enough to justify it, but I think that's the case. I think that's the case with most boats. But then the few times we do use it, I'm reminded of how much I enjoy it when we do. So, you know, it's already paid for and here, so the only expense is really just the marina expense, which is not really that bad for where we live. So anyway, I'm glad you guys came along with me today. You got to see a little bit of the boat and the marina and a little bit of the fall winter kind of look here at the lake where we keep the boat. So thanks for coming along, and I'll see you again soon.